Welcome to our guide on fixing the issue of LinkedIn not downloading files on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you're facing this problem, don't worry. We have a series of straightforward steps to help you resolve it quickly. Step 1. Refresh the LinkedIn web page. Start by refreshing the LinkedIn web page. Simply click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can often resolve minor glitches that prevent files from downloading. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Look for the network icon in the notifications area of your taskbar. Click on it to check if you are connected to the internet. If there are any issues, try reconnecting or switching networks. Step 3. Close and reopen your browser. If refreshing didn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. Sometimes, a simple restart of the browser can clear out any temporary issues that might be causing the problem. Step 4. Restart your device. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, consider restarting your device. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. This can help reset any underlying issues with your system. Step 5. Ask the sender to resend the file. If you still cannot download files, it might be worthwhile to ask the sender to resend the file. There could be a chance that there was an error during the initial sending process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of LinkedIn not downloading files on your PC after the new update. If problems persist, consider checking LinkedIn's Help Center or forums for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you get back to using LinkedIn smoothly.